This is Ria. I'm working with Micros IT Solution, a unit of Micros Digital. I'm working here as business manager. Talking about my experience, I carry around 8 plus years of experience in edtech industries, catering a lot of different clients and students. So, in 8 years of my career, I have seen a lot of students asking me a lot of questions related to digital marketing. And I have also seen students where students are not being guided properly or they lack knowledge, they lack information, and because of which they go into a wrong track. So, in order to give a thumbs up for that, in order to give you a solution for that, today in my video, I will be catering some of the important questions of digital marketing, what in general student ask me. So I have already catered a lot of question in my previous video. So here I am omitting some of the questions in this video. I will be catering the rest of the questions along over here today. Starting off with my first question, I often hear this question from a lot of working professionals and housewives that whether a housewife can go for digital marketing course or not. So in order to answer this question, I would like to tell you, of course, a housewife can always go for digital marketing course, as digital marketing course do not require a prior expertise or prior educational background. So anyone from any background can go for this course. So if you are a housewife and you are looking to earn something which can give you an additional benefit or which can help you in earning freelancing money, so yes, digital marketing is the best course for you. So if you're a housewife, you can every time you can go for this course. There is not a problem in going for this course. You can easily learn, you can easily grasp the things whatever is being taught to you. Moving on with my next question, I often get to hear from students that is English mandatory for going digital marketing course. So for answering this, I would just like to tell you English is not at all mandatory for going for any of the courses whatever you are learning into digital marketing. So, if you are a student, if you are a working professional, or if you are an housewife and you are not good in English, still you can always go for digital marketing. There is no any specification, there is no any rigidity into this that English is mandatory for digital marketing. Yes, if you are looking or if you are thinking to go for a multinational company after doing this digital marketing course, then of course if you are looking to join a multinational company has certain criteria for themselves. So going for that companies, sometimes English is mandatory. But if I talk about in general, there is no any specific requirements or there is no any company who will ask you to go for, English language only. If you are a Hindi speaking native, you can always go for this course. Please take out this thought from your mind that अगर आप हिंदी बोल रहे हो तो आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग नहीं कर सकते. It is nowhere said or it is nowhere written. So, as per me, as per my experience, I would like to tell you there is a lot of companies who open their arms for the students, for the working professionals to join them even if their English is not good. If I talk about my organization, I have a lot of people in my organization who are highly talented, but they lack is their language. That doesn't mean that they are not having a good potential with them. So, please do not think any negative about yourself if you are not having a proper English language. It's in a very simple language. If I answer this, anyone can go for this course. There is no any specific language barrier for this course. There are a lot of institutes in the market. I will not be able to judge any of the institutes, and I do not want it to be any give you any offensive information about any of the institutes. But there are different institutes in the market who provide internship facilities to the students, and some institutes they do not provide internship facilities to their students. But if you are a digital marketing student, internship is always very much mandatory for you, because digital marketing is a course in which live sessions, practical sessions is very much important. And if you just have learned the course, that is not going to help you out. So in order to have a practical knowledge, in order to have an industrial exposure, definitely internship is required. So, talking about Micros Digital provides students with internship opportunities if you go for your Masters in Digital Marketing Certification program. So, here in this Masters in Digital Marketing program, we offer you with the internship facilities. In this internship, you will be provided internship in our organization. As mentioned to you in my previous videos, that we are not just an educational unit, we are also an IT company which is based out in USA, and we are operating in India also. So in order to give you a live experience, in order to help you out with the live and practical training sessions, we provide you with internship opportunities in our courses. The next question which I wanted to cater is the duration of the course. So again, different institutes, different organizations have different structures. They follow different pattern for teaching their students. Again, this duration of the course totally depends on institutes to institute, and it also depends whether you are taking this training program from an institute or you are taking this training digital marketing course as a degree program. So, as in Micros Digital, we provide you with a certification program. So here, if I talk about the overall duration of the course, the overall duration of the course in general is 6 months. Maximum institutes will provide you 6 months training program. But in order to ease our students, because there are a lot of students who are having some financial issues, some students are having time issues. So in order to help those students, in order to help those sections of students, we have segregated 6 months of course into 3 months program. So if you are having lack of time, and still if you are looking for a digital marketing course, we can even help you out with 3 months training program. We also have a fast track batch in which we will be teaching you the entire curriculum in a customized manner. We will be catering all the courses in a compressive form, and we will be completing the portion as early as possible. So if you are having a time limit with you, if you are having some monetary issues with you, so Micros Digital is the best platform in order to join. Talking about the mode of classes, again, different institutes have different segregations as per their convenience, as per their trainers' availability. They conduct their sessions. But talking about Micros Digital sessions, we have both live and recorded sessions. We have online batches and we do have offline batches. So if you are looking for an offline classes, if you wanted to take sessions coming down to the institute, you can always do that. And in case sometimes, or in case you are not available, we can always provide you an online session. So talking about the mode of classes, we have both online and offline modes. Also, we have live and recorded sessions both. I would like to clear you, recorded sessions is not a session which will be given to you in your online sessions. Recorded sessions are the sessions which you will be receiving once you have completed your live sessions. It is just for the revision thing, whatever you have learned in the sessions, in the particular class you have taken, the recorded sessions will be given to you for your further learnings and for your further learning experiences. Yes, you can always go for this course along with your job or along with your college. Here in Micros Digital, we provide you with flexible scheduling, which means that we will be giving you sessions as per your convenience. We will try and help you out to match up with the timings or the preferable slots, whatever you are looking for. And accordingly, we will try and schedule your batches because here we already have our in-house trainers. So we have our batches throughout the day. Again, if we are having our batches throughout the day, we can easily provide our students with the flexibility in the classes. So yes, if you are a working professional, if you are doing your job, or if you are a college student, you can always go for this course. We have a flexible scheduling option, and a job person or a college student can go for this course. The next question what I am going to answer is the best question, and this is the question which every student asks before joining any digital marketing course or any of the courses. So to answer this question, I would like to say that the package of digital marketing varies from 10,000 to 50 to 80,000. I have even placed some of my students in multinational companies with a package of 12 lakh per annum. So I can't say that everybody will be going with the same package. So I would not lie to you. I am trying to help you out with the best and best experiences or best and best benefits or the expertise whatever I am having with me. I'm trying to help you out with that. So starting up with 10,000 rupee job to 50,000 to 80,000, it will totally depend on your potential and your caliber. Believe me, there are lots and lots of companies where they require digital marketers. And if you're having the correct attitude towards digital marketing course, if you're learning in a best way possible, if you're giving your 100%, definitely you can get the best salaries in the market. As you know, after COVID, everything has gone digital. So in order to cater these digital aspects, every company is some or the other way related to digital marketing. So there is a lot of demand in the market. It totally depends how potential you are. If you are good enough in learning and your experience is good, even though if you are not an experienced holder, you can earn a good sum of money. In today's video, I have tried and helped you out as much as details I can, as much as questions I can help you out. If you are having any further more questions, I know in this limited time I cannot answer all of the questions over here. So if you are having any questions related to digital marketing, you can always reach out to us on our website, or you can even drop your questions in the comment section of this box. After this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and follow our channel. For further more details update about digital marketing, please follow our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.